Hi, I'm Mark from the Landscape Academy, and today we're going to look at the installation of London Stone's timber fencing and posts. London Stone supply a variety of fencing options to suit any garden, from traditional to contemporary. When installing a fence, it's important to mark out the area first using string lines to ensure your fence is installed in a straight line or to the boundary line required. Once your line is in place, you then need to mark out the position for the posts. Remember to measure the space between the posts carefully. Excavate an appropriate sized trench for the timber post, making sure the pit is not too big. There are lots of tools on the market to help with digging holes for fence posts. We've used chevolers, which makes the job much easier. Depending on the size and the material of the panels you are installing, you may need some help to prevent injury. Do not install a fence of this size on your own. When installing a timber post, make sure the post is set out to the width of the fence panel. Make sure the post and the fence panels are level before setting. Here we've used a rapid post mix to secure the timber post into the ground. Allow the post mix to fully set before installing the next fence panel. Continue the process for each post and panel, always checking and measuring as you go. Securely fix the fence panel in place with the appropriate screws for the fence panel you are installing. As with any landscaping, it's important that you continuously measure. So when you're sticking a fence up, obviously it's important that you put your nice long string line out, gives you the line of the direction of the fence that it's going. And as you're installing the panels, make sure they're level with the top of the posts and constantly measure as you're going. Timber fencing is quick and easy to install. It can be used to either create attractive boundaries or to screen or shelter areas within the garden.